guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be doing my cash stuffing number 2 for the month of August. But before we start counting my money, I do want to open up my sparkling water. Today I have pineapple from Trader Joe's, so I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. Okay, so here is my cash. I'm going to bring out my calculator. It's funny because I went to the teller today and she told me that she was looking for nicer bills because she heard that I like nice bills. She did pretty good. I'm not complaining. Okay, so let's just start to counting. So we have 50, 150. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $91, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $5, $10, $15, $25, $35, $45, $55, $65, $75, $85, $90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm cash stuffing $655. And over here I have prop money. This is going to be $7.15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 15. And this is going to be for my bills binder. I'm just going to be cash stuffing my rent. Okay, so I'm going to quickly set this up and we're going to start with my revolving cash. Okay, so we're going to start with eating out. Eating out is going to get 50. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Spending is going to get 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. I do want to swap this out for an uglier one, just in case. And for those that might be new, I am a cash spender, but I do swipe my credit card and I pay my credit card back every like 2 weeks. I never have a running balance into the new month. So that's how I do rewards, and I don't have credit card debt and I still use my cash. So I cash stuff it here in these envelopes so I don't carry cash on me physically on my everyday living, but I do swipe my credit card and then pay it back. Compra is going to get 180. Compra has 150, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Gas, I had $10, actually $20 rolled over from my last cash and stuffing. It's going to get 100. $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $85, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $100, and then $20. Household is going to get 10. Household now has 20, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. This binder is going to be my future rent and my cell phone. So future rent is going to get 50. Future rent has 1,000, 100, 150, and 200. So that's $1,200. This money here represents 1,100 that's in my Ally savings account, which actually the interest rate went up to 1.85. It's great. Cell phone is getting 25. So that's 25. Okay, and that is it for this binder. Now we're gonna go over to, actually I'm gonna stuff my my rent. My rent is going to get $7.50, 15. Rent should have 1,000. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70, 80, 95, and 1,000. So my rent is ready to go. I paid that on the 1st. Okay, so the next binder is going to be my lower priority sinking funds. I hope everyone is doing well. I know I'm not talking a whole lot outside of my cash stuffing because I do want this video to run smooth and I don't want it to be too long. I am having my surgery on September 6th. Today is August 29th. And yeah, I'm just trying to bulk record. That way I have videos to post in the month of September, which I'm going to be posting some of my August videos in September because I have too many to get within the next 2 days. It's not going to happen. So a lot of these videos that I'm recording now, I'll be putting up in September. Okay, so MWP is going to get 5, and this is an anniversary envelope for my family member. So now we have $100, $200, and $5. TAP is getting a 5. TAP now has 20, 40, 60, 85, 95. I must have not calculated something right because my trackers are off. Yep, my tracker is off. I thought I had this. I need to fix this tracker. Okay, I had to fix my tracker because I had missed a week. So between both these envelopes, I have $300. Okay, so Delight is going to get 5. Delight now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5. Home Decor is getting 5. Home Decor now has 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. Planner, I thought I was done, but the Budget Mom actually, her shipping is really expensive. So I'm gonna have to up this budget a little bit more. So I'm gonna cash stuff it with $5 today. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105, 10, 15, 20, 120. Supplies is getting a 10. Supplies now has 10, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Support a Friend is also getting a 10. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our last binder here is going to be my high priority. So we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting a 10. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 720, 30, 31. So 731. Medical is getting a 10. Medical has 500, 600, 700, 750, 770, 790, 810, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 820. Emergency is getting a 10. Emergency now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 910, 15, 915. Travel is getting a 10. Travel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, and 96. That's 596. Savings is getting a 10. Savings now has 500 and 10, 20, 35. One, 2, 3 monthly expenses is also getting a 10. So this has 1,000, 2,000, 500, and 20, 40, 50. So that's 2,550. So the last remaining should be for my savings challenge box. Here, and we are cash stuffing $55. So that's 20, 40, 50, and 55. And this is from simpleshopz. I will be doing a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers, and I will be giving away one of these boxes, so just be sure that you are publicly subscribed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this off as complete. All right, so let me move September forward. Okay, so this is September's number, so I'll be cash stuffing 80 and 50 for the month of September. All right, guys, so that is it. This is the end of my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and leave a pineapple emoji. That way I know you're at this point. And if you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. Take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.